Hello friends, welcome back to the session. So guys, today we're going to discuss how to export a package in web method. Yeah, how to do the manual deployment in a web method. So if you're done with your code and if you want to take some backup of this particular code, and at any point if you require this package on your integration server, one server or another server, how you can do that. Second thing, anyone can share with you the zip file, and if you want to install the same zip file on the integration server, yeah, if you done with your code on dev environment, if you want to install this code onto your QA environment, your production environment, manual deployment, how you can do that. Let's start the demo. So very first, which package you required as a backup, yeah, for export. Just right click on this particular package, click on export from server option. Here you can choose any kind of a location, desktop, any kind of, and then click on save. So this particular package it will save on the location where you mentioned. Okay. So let me show you this package is save or not. Okay. First, once you're done with that now, then refresh the integration server, yeah, designer, and then go to the desktop. But here I'm not able to see this particular package, right? Right. Okay, it will, here you can see. Okay, and once you export this package guys, so here you can see all those things like in ns package we have a particular package related details, yeah, package related services. It will internally save in a flow.xml format. Okay, now the second thing, this is like I exported this package, but I want to install this package on my server. Okay, that case, go to packages option, click on install inbound release. Again you need to refresh this page, go to packages, return to package management. Here activate the okay. So guys, once you done with your export now, then control C, copy this package, and you want to install this package to your folder. So I'll show you the path. This is my directory, integration server, then instance, then integration server, default, sorry, instances, integration server instances, default, then packages. Okay, after default, okay, click on replicate, then inbound, and here you can copy this particular package, particular zip file, so that whenever you log in your integration server page, okay, and refresh this particular server and click on the active inactive sorry, activate inactive packages, yeah, install inbound releases. Once you click on install inbound releases, here the package you can see, this is a zip file, and click on install releases so that this particular package it will save onto your particular integration server. That is the one case. Okay, so once you're done with your export thing, then wherever location you mention, the package will store that particular location, and just copy this particular zip file into the inbound folder, replicate inbound. Okay, after that you can click on the install releases options to that particular packages will recover under particular area. Second thing, like anyone share with you this particular zip file. If you want to install this particular zip file, so just copy this zip file into the replicate inbound and then click on, as I said, this option, install inbound releases. You can do that. Okay, so that's all about today's demonstration. I hope you like and enjoy this session. So last word, if you like this video and if you are new in my channel, so like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a great day.